Well, I'm using my phone real quick to just do a quick recording. Back up in New York, hauling a Walmart trailer. Leaves are starting to change. It's getting a little cold out for this Texan. Still no white stuff. And for some reason I can't hold this steady today. Damn, you guys are gonna get seasick on this one. I'm probably just gonna upload this one. So today would be a double upload day. This is just a quick video showing you guys the change of colors in the leaves. And he's driving again.
That's right.
Now, only if a deer can run out here, stick its head out, and yeah, I'll warm it up. It's kind of cold outside. We gotta warm them up. Anyway, thank you for watching this short little video, or intermission. Please enjoy your day. Hit that subscribe button. And, yeah, have a good one.